this is something that has been pushed by Angela Merkel's Christian Democratic partners in Bavaria, the CSU. This is a separate Christian Democratic Party that is in government, in the coalition government with Angela Merkel, and this is really their thing. They've been pushing it for years, for a decade even. And in the end, well, no one else really wants it, but in the end Angela Merkel agreed to impose this with this caveat that German drivers would in effect not pay for this because they would get a refund on their tax, so it would only really hit drivers from other European countries. Now, why is the CSU pushing it? Well, it's because they're saying it's unfair that German drivers have to pay when they go to, say, France, for example, to drive on the highways there, but other European drivers can just drive as much as they want in Germany without paying anything. That's basically their arguing.
Well, the European Court of Justice has now ruled saying that this is unfair on other EU citizens if German drivers get a refund. So what's the response been in Germany to all this?
Well, it depends who you ask. The CSU, obviously, they've been pushing this. They're obviously quite upset. This, I can't emphasize it enough, this was a question that they've ran on in several elections. They're in Bavaria, where a lot of traffic is going across Bavaria. People don't even stop in Germany. They go from Eastern Europe into other European countries across Germany. So they're obviously quite upset, but no one else really seemed quite upset about it at all. The Greens, for example, would obviously like higher costs for driving, but they wanted to apply to everyone, not just other Europeans. The Liberal Democrats don't want any of this sort of business, so they're very happy that it hasn't gone through. And even Angela Merkel's Christian Democrats, they were never really positive about this, so they're also quite happy that the European Court of Justice has now ruled it as unlawful.